So here's how to change alarm sound on Android. In order to change your alarm sound on an Android, you first need to open up your inbuilt clock application. So let's go ahead and tap on Clock. Once you're here, you will get to see your alarm option and all the alarms you have set previously. Tap and open any of them. Once you're here, tap on Alarm Ringtone. And as you can see, there are a lot of options to choose from. Choose the one that you like and your new alarm sound will be set. Then, just go ahead and tap on Set Alarm. This way, you can easily change your alarm sound to whatever sound that you want. You can choose from the available options, or you can even use a custom or downloaded sound for your alarm. It's as simple as that. Following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and change your alarm sound on Android.